Hello, this tutorial is all about how to use hashtags effectively on Twitter. Step 1, you have to launch your Twitter application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your Twitter application. Now, as you can see here, hashtags are crucial for reaching your target audience with your message. They simplify your tweets so that they appear at the top of search results and reach a larger audience. By using Twitter hashtag correctly, you may enhance the likelihood that people will see your tweets and become aware of your business. So, how to use hashtag effectively on Twitter? Step 2, be specific with your hashtags. So, for example, you are trying to post a specific topic. So, let's just say there is an event in NYC, like a big event, so you can use the hashtag NYC. If there is an event that you want to promote, or there's something about world champion, then you can simply do hashtag world champion. If you want to, try to throw back something, you can use Throwback Thursday, or you can even use Throwback Wednesday or Monday. But I think Thursday is the most popular one. If you talk about coffee, you can then put hashtag coffee, hashtag playing. So if you're specific into, for example, about restaurant, you can even add restaurant. Social media, you can tap or you can do hashtag social media marketing if it's all about marketing. So that's how important it is when you're very specific also with your hashtags. Okay, so these are the samples. Step 3, the next thing to do here is when you do this World Cup or when you use hashtag World Cup, you should always remember that you shouldn't do a space here or put a space when you try to hashtag two words. Okay, so it should be hashtag World Cup. So the two should be combined or unite. Okay, also if you want to do hashtag or put hashtag, it's let's just say it's all coming back. Of course, the correct way, there should be an apostrophe. Okay, there should be a punctuation or whatsoever here. But you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't put that. It should be something like this. Should be continuous. No punctuation marks, no spaces. So let's proceed to step 4. If you go to the search icon here, you can see the trends for you. Okay, and if you're going to tap that one, most of the tweets they use hashtag. If you want your post or if it's related to this trends here, you can simply copy their hashtags if you want, so that your post also will be promoted and will be notified or will be noticed by the people. Okay, you can also use this hashtag, or let's just say Hashtagify. Okay, it's a site where you can search for trending hashtags, or it can help you use hashtags, especially if you're new to doing hashtags. Apart from Hashtagify, you can also go to TagDev. It's another site in which it will help you choose or pick the right hashtags for your tweets, not just for Twitter, but also for other social media. So it can help you find out what's the best hashtag for you. And I think most of these hashtags are also popular or trending. So it would be easier for you also. It could help you to promote your tweets. Thank you for watching. See you in our next videos.